According to the CDC, you should try to limit the amount of times you visit the grocery store and shop for enough food to last an extended period of time. Planning meals ahead of time is helpful, and Chef George Duran is here to make the most of food in these wild times. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, it's really important that you stick to this ingredient list that you have on hand and not wander off to any other aisles just to look around. You want to stick with frozen veggies. I use Bird's Eye, for example. They have a ton of different kinds of veggies that you can incorporate in almost any meal. This is my favorite. It's a slow cooker breakfast casserole, but it's not just good for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's fantastic for all three meals. But it's essentially taking some of those frozen veggies, like from Bird's Eye that I was talking to you about, popping it in there, throwing some hash. You can throw some good sausage and bacon in there, and then covering it with eggs, slow cooking it overnight, and it kind of turns into this kind of casserole quiche kind of thing, using all those veggies that you have in there. You know, kids still love their chicken fingers and their chicken nuggets, but what I'm doing is making my 3-ingredient chicken parms, and it's as simple as taking their nuggets or their fingers, adding some of that Hunt's crushed tomatoes on top, some cheese, popping it back into the oven, and now you have chicken parm. Even dessert is simple. Taking some of my Duncan Hines brownie mix, I add a little bit of that peanut butter that I know everybody still has a lot of in their pantry. Add a little bit of peanut butter inside of that brownie mix into the muffin tin pan. Now I'll make individual sizes.
Thanks, George. For See What's Portland, I'm Nicole DeCosta.